In front of me is one of the weirdest looking plants on the planet, and it grows right here in South Africa. It's the first time I've ever seen it. It doesn't look like a plant, it looks more like a fungus or a mushroom erupting out of the soil, but it is a plant. This is called Ignora africana. It is a parasite. That means it cannot make its own food. It needs a host plant to provide it with its nutrients and its water. And in this case, its preferred host is this. This is Euphorbia mauritanica. Ignora lives underground. It has no leaves, only a cluster of roots that attach themselves to the roots of this euphorbia next to me. And so it gets all its nutrients and moisture. The only time we see Ignora is when it starts to flower. And that is what's happening now. At first it looks like brown mushrooms, almost dinosaur eggs, breaking open the hard soil. But as soon as it starts to mature, it breaks open and then reveals this red flesh. Now, it stinks. It has this very potent dead flesh scent, and that's to attract its pollinators. Its pollinators are carrion beetles and flies. What makes this flower even more fascinating is that it has the ability to heat itself up. That means that the foul odor can travel much further, attracting its pollinators. The pollinators enter the flower looking for the source of this odor. They travel deep into the flower where there's a chamber underneath filled with pollen. There's a lot of hair and the walls are slippery, so the insects fall into this chamber and is kept hostage in there for quite some time. Then, once they are released, after a few days, they are filled with pollen and then hopefully fly out to find another flower so the pollination can happen. Ignora makes big round fruit that is loved by local wildlife, and humans too. It has this strange but attractive taste. That's where its common name comes from, jakkalskos, jackal's food, because they are particularly fond of it. It truly is one of South Africa's strangest looking plants. A plant that hides underground, has no leaves, uses the energy of other plants and have this alien-like flower. A little parasitic monster that hides in plain sight.